subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After several leaks and rumors, the Samsung has finally launched its new budget phone under M series in India called Galaxy M01S. And it is the successor to the Galaxy M01 smartphone that was launched in June this year. Talking about the specifications, the new Galaxy M01S supports a 6.2-inch HD Plus display with Infinity V-style notch in the top center that houses 8-megapixel selfie camera with f2.0 aperture. At the back, the phone features a dual camera setup including LED flash at the top left corner. The dual-ray camera includes a 13-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture and a 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. Additionally, the rear panel also features an fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Helio P22 chipset paired with PowerVR GE8320 GPU. The smartphone packs with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 512GB via dedicated microSD card slot. On the software front, the device runs on Android 9 Pie with One UI core on top, and it comes equipped by 4000 mAh battery. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro USB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 156.9 by 75.8 by 7.8mm and it weighs around 168 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Galaxy M01S has been priced in India at 9,999 Indian rupees and it is now available for purchase in the country in light blue and grey color options. So what do you guys think of this Galaxy M01S smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.